This is the SOG Kilowatt folding knife. I'll let you take a look at the scales there. They are GRN scales. You see like the diagram, with very cool. You got holes there for wire stripping when the blade's closed right here. This one opens up, different gauge wire. You got a cable stripper right there. This was designed for the electrician, contractor. The pocket clip was designed to look like a tower. It is a thumb stud opening. The blade is made out of AUS 8 steel. It has a satin finish. In the front here, it has a receptacle right there etched in. This is a great working knife for the electrician or contractor. This is the SOG Kilowatt. I keep it in my tool belt. SOG out.